In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option illustrating the feeding site or the target site for the active form of the Entaviva isolytica. Entaviva isolytica is having nucleus and the pseudopoda for regulating most of the physiological activity. This structure we are observing in the high resolution microscope. The active form of the Entaviva histolytica consumes colon mucosa and submucosa as well as red blood cell erythrocyte for its survival. Human intestine and extra-intestinal infection are caused by the pathogenic amoeba Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica is a member of Lobosa order, Sorcodio classes, and Protozoan phylum. With this specification, we are choosing option D as the correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, B, and C. Why? Because option A, B, and C are not the correct target site for the Entamoeba histolytica parasite.